going to be cold tonight, frost, so we got our strawberries covered. Those are old sleeping bags that we keep to cover for frost. The cold weather plants like lettuce over there in the corner, you don't have to cover. Even when it's little bitty, you don't have to cover it. We've got some squash under this sleeping bag, but we ran out of sleeping bags, so I'm putting up something I used to use quite a bit. It's called a water wall. See that little green plastic thing? When you put water in it, it looks like that. See it? So it makes a little microclimate inside for the plant. That's cucumbers. If you look down the tube, you can see the water. If you fill it about 3/4, half to 3/4 full, 2/3 maybe, then you can close the top so it looks like a teepee. Fill it all the way up and it still offers some protection, but it's better when it's closed up on top. So that's water walls in case you haven't seen them. Have fun gardening.